2,500 kVA solar duty transformer project in the USA. DOE Live Red in 2025 for utility-scale PV installation in Illinois. This loop feed pad-mounted transformer is designed to convert 0.6 kV inverter output into 13.2 kV grid voltage, ensuring stable and efficient power transmission. Featuring a YNYNO vector group for parallel operation, equipped with electrostatic shielding to protect inverters from surges, using environmentally friendly FR3 insulating fluid, and a loop feed design that enables flexible integration into modern distribution networks, delivering reliable, efficient, and grid-ready performance for solar applications.